This is a Photoshop style, layer style. It saves effects like drop shadows and bevels. You import it into the Styles palette to apply instant effects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's style a layer. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the ASL format, but we'll attack the top issues first. An ASL file is a layer style preset for Adobe Photoshop, containing effects like drop shadows, glows, strokes, and gradients. Designers use ASL files to save and share complex layer effects, allowing them to apply a consistent and reusable visual style to text, shapes, or other objects with a single click. The ASL format is a proprietary binary file designed by Adobe for optimal performance within Photoshop. It stores a collection of layer effect parameters in a compact structure, allowing for quick loading and application. This binary design protects the intellectual property of the style and ensures fast rendering of complex effects. There's a proprietary link between the ASL format and Adobe Photoshop by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows shows basic previews for common types, while detailed editing needs design applications. Your first test is essential. Right-click the ASL file and select Open With. Use Adobe Photoshop first if it is on your system. If not, select another option. We must find the program that handles the format correctly. If the ASL file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the ASL file is still stubborn, look for one of these three basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, loading the styles. Launch Adobe Photoshop and open the Styles panel through Window, then Styles. Use the panel menu to select Load Styles or Import Styles and browse to the ASL file. The styles appear in the panel as thumbnails ready for application to layers in your current document. Next, applying styles to layers. Select a layer in the Layers panel and click a Style thumbnail in the Styles panel to apply the complete style with all effects. Modify individual effect parameters through the Layer Style dialog, accessed via Layer then Layer Style, or by double-clicking the Layer Effects entry. Finally, saving custom styles. Configure layer effects on a layer to your liking, and use the Styles panel New Style button to save the configuration as a new style. Use the panel menu. Save Styles option to export the entire style collection as an ASL file for backup or sharing with other designers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.